What's up, guys? It's me, Byron, and tonight I'm going to be doing some more tunes. Actually, I'm going to be showing you how to do other tunes on the guitar besides just doing this. Like that, but there's some, other tunes I could show you to make it go higher or low, like this. If you make this tune on this fifth thing or whatever, here's how you do it. That's how you do it. And for the sixth one, here we go. Seventh one. The eighth one. The ninth one. Now the 10th one. This is also how to make your pitches go higher with these two strings right here. But yeah, the 11th one. Actually, okay, there we go. Now the other one. The other one. I'm not gonna go so high, but yeah. And another one. And finally, this one for right now. You cannot hear it very good because I'm not pushing the strings in very good, but I'll get used to it. So, this is how you do more tunes on your guitar. Okay. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video, so stay tuned for that. This is me signing off.